In this tutorial I will explain some possibilities of pausing and scrubbing while recording a voiceover. As an example, I will create a pencast with a walking man and some traffic lights. Let's view the resulting base pencast without the voiceover. What I would like to do is to make the man stop in front of the red light. We can do this in the voiceover stage by pausing the playback of the pencast, but keep recording the voice. So let's go to the voiceover stage. To illustrate the difference between pausing the pencast and pausing the recording of the voice, I will first pause both the playback and the recording of the voice. This is done by pressing the control palette. So when playing back, it seems as if we didn't pause. Let's restart the voiceover. Now we're going to do the voiceover again, pausing the playback when the man reaches the red light as before, but continue the voice recording. This is done by giving the control palette a small tick to the left. To continue the playback, we give the control palette a tick to the right. So when playing back, we see the man pausing and even going back and forward. Let's do another voiceover. Another scenario is to start the voiceover but not the playback. This can be done giving the control palette a small tick to the right. To start playback the pencast, give the control palette another small tick to the right. Let's look at the resulting pencast. Let's do another voiceover. In the last scenario I want to show you is to start playback the pencast from another point than the starting point. The resulting pencast looks like this. As you can see, there are a lot of possibilities for pausing and scrubbing while recording a voiceover. Hope this is helpful.